Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's technical analysis video, brought to you by the creators of Proprietary Price, Pattern, and Time methodology. Learn the PPT methodology and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, folks, the date is Thursday, December 13th, 2012. Let's get this show on the road. Markets are declining decently today. We have the Dow down 84 points, NASDAQ down 30, S&P down 11 and a quarter. The key here is to recognize that the PPT methodology told us the market would top at the 144 level on the SPY. How do we know that? Simply go to your daily chart, use calculations, use the proprietary PPT methodology, and please also note the trend line sloping down right here. Right into it yesterday, pierced it yesterday, reversed, down we go today. When everyone else is thinking yesterday, when the Federal Reserve comes out and says, oh, we're going to do QE4, everyone thinks, oh, the market's going to go up to infinity. Wrong. PPT methodology tells you the truth, not the lies that spew out from the CNBCs of this world. All right, the analysts out there, they know nothing. The commentators know nothing. If you want the truth, the PPT, proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology is the way to go. And again, it nails a top. It was telling us to buy right down here. We bought. I bought Chevron, Baidu, IBM, you name it. We all went long inside the research center, wrote it up. Here, it told us the market was going to top. Sure enough, down we come. Now, how much downside is available? That's the big question. There's actually not that much downside according to the PPT methodology. See the 20 MA and the 50 MA? This is in the general range of where we think it's going to go. So there's just down to about the 140 level short term. And then I think as you come down, you'll start to hear more chatter about a fiscal cliff deal. Even though today John Boehner spoke and they're not even close to a deal whatsoever. But I do think before Christmas we will get some sort of deal. If not, then yeah, the markets could be in a lot of trouble. But I do think the market thinks that before Christmas you'll get it, and you'll probably stall around the 20 MA on the downside, which is right around here to the 50 MA. So again, about the 140-ish level on the spiders. Another $2 to $2.5 downside on the spiders. And again, you can ride that if you want, or just sit out at this point since you missed the top. But again, our members knew this, and that's the beauty of what we do. 80 to 90% success rate shown by our track record. And again, having a track record is the true way to gauge the success of PPT. All right, going to the intraday, guys, there were some great plays on an intraday basis here. Anyone who knows the methodology, anyone who knows trading at all on a technical basis has been able to make some good money today. How do we know that? Well, take a look at this. Market starts selling off. Notice the necktie. See the 20 sloping with the 50 crossing it at that point. Price comes into that point. I gave out a short on the spiders. I took it myself. We profited. Right at that point, we nailed the high of the market. Just got to do it, guys. You just got to know it. All right. Then the market started to sell off beautifully. You had a head and shoulder pattern. Here's your shoulder. Here's your head. Here's your shoulder. Breaks down. Comes down to the gap window. That's the next buy. You buy it for a scalp. The market bounces up. Then you consolidate, break down. Obviously, you're not buying the 200 because you just broke down off bearish consolidation. You go lower. Where are you looking? Gap fill. Buy the gap fill. You got a beautiful bounce right here and another candle after that. Beautiful bounce. Then it comes down. You know you're not buying the same level again. Let it go lower. Then you get the next point of interest, this point right there. Look at the bounce you're receiving. This market is pinpoint beautiful. Beautiful in terms of levels, being able to just profit left and right. You know, while everyone else is sad as the markets are going down because their 401ks, their IRAs are going down, I'm just here sitting with my members at InTheMoneyStocks.com taking profits. Whether you're a swing trader, an investor, or a day trader, the PPT methodology, proprietary in nature. Listen, I spent 10 years developing this. So did Nick. And there is amazing results evident in everything we do. And again, the institutions don't want us talking about it. We're going to talk about it. We're here for the average investor. Here for the average investor willing to give out these secrets so you can start combating the institutional investors and making money back. They stole from you in the 2007-8 period when the markets collapsed. Now it's time you take your money back no matter which way the market goes. I don't care if it goes up or down. There's money to be made. All right? Remember that. It is awesome. It's the way to go. Let's take a look at what else is going on here. Dollar is trading up slightly, which makes sense since the markets are trading down, but not a major move there by any stretch. Gold is taking a big hit today, down $1.60 on the GLD. As you can see right here, nice little drop on the GLD today. It's off the lows, but still, again, continuing to show itself here, and we'll continue to monitor that. SLV is also, which is silver, getting hit today. This is actually a big drop on silver, down $1.03 on the SLV. It's only a $30, $32 ETF as the start of today. So I mean that's a big drop there. All right, so we'll go from there and see what else is going on. JP Morgan is up 3 cents. So actually JPM stronger than the overall market, but Apple, after a couple bounce days or a pause day, Apple back down, getting a little bit of a bounce, yet a little bit of a double bottom here. And again, if I just zoom out, see this level and this level, that's where you came right in the midst. You're getting a small bounce on Apple. I do think there's a chance that Apple flushes below 500 before the end of the year, so be aware of that, folks. And again, if you want to know where the signals are, if you want the swing trade alerts given to you, sent out via text, email, whatever it may be, it's here for you at In the Money Stocks. You want to learn a proprietary methodology that the institutions don't want you to learn? Well, it's here as well, and I will teach it to you. All right, we have online courses, we have everything else. It is here for the taking. It's just a matter of, are you too lazy to step up and take it? I mean, that's really what it comes down to. Any decent investor out there, average investor who has a brain, they're going to want to come and learn this stuff, because it's the way you just make unlimited amounts of money for the rest of your life till you die. I mean, literally, when you're 100 years old, you can be clicking a button on a mouse pad and making money. It's going to work forever. So the question is, again, those people that want to learn it, we're here to teach it. If you're lazy, then feel free to give your money to the institutions or me at this point as you continue to trade, since you're trading, and I'll be doing the opposite of what you do and making your money and just, thank you very much type thing. I mean, it's basically putting yourself on the winning side, and there's always a loser and there's always a winner. So you just need to know the methodology so you're on the right side. So in any case, beautiful stuff, guys. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I will continue to teach and slave away to make sure all our members learn this methodology and continue to profit with the pros. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you soon.